Hello, and welcome to week 3 in MSAI 631 AI for human-computer interactions. Jumping straight into our agenda, we'll start with an overview, then we'll go over the reading and the assignments, as we always do. During this week, we talk a bit about the life cycle that the development typically follows when building a chatbot. One of the reasons we do this because chatbots are a common way of interacting with computers these days, and is a very common sort of HCI component. And as well, it's also an emerging way of discussing things with an AI, so the use of large language models. So having an understanding of traditional chatbot development is important. We'll also focus on user design focuses on persona. So whenever using traditional user design, we use these things called personas to represent segments of our user population. AI also enables us to do something similar using some different approaches, such as clustering and various other approaches. So we talk about the impact AI may have on that sort of approach. And then we close out this week by tying a AI as a service offering, how those things work and how they could be used by a traditional chatbot to augment their behaviors. The readings this week, chapters 8 and 9 from the main text, and then assigned articles. The assignments is to prototype a simple traditional chatbot, and then integrate that same chatbot, or it could be a different one if you want to build two, with an AI as a service, such as things like Azure Cognitive Services. And so with these assignments may seem a little daunting at first, but the rubrics are built such that you'll do okay even if it doesn't end up working. And that's by design. Your goal here is to learn about these technologies, not to be masterful chatbot developers. So while it's great if you get it to work, it's more important that you learn. Make sure, as always, with these sort of things, that you give credit anywhere that you've got inspiration or even just started from and extend. It's a perfectly valid approach. As always, if you have any questions about this material, feel free to reach out to me. That's what I'm here for. Stay safe. We'll talk again soon.